I almost feel so small in front of all the well-accomplished dignitaries and all of them who have felicitated today. But thanks so much for that really flattering introduction. I think one thing that I'm really excited about today is the fact that it's one of those very few conferences that we're not just doing well on time, but we're actually ahead in time. So I'll try and keep the spirit and keep my speech also really short. I'm also really glad and excited to see how much of a family we are among all of us. It almost feels so warm, though I'm a newcomer to such events. Also, I'm so excited to see the diversity in the room. We see majors from different countries. We also see a good amount of representation from women, which I'm generally not used to seeing. I've been to many events in this specific room, and I must say that this is one of those very few events where I see so much diversity. The distinguished faculty, esteemed global delegates, and our partners from Tata Memorial Hospital, respected colleagues, and dear friends. It's both my honor and my privilege to welcome all of you to Hyderabad for this prestigious gathering. It's a great forum that represents the very frontier of knowledge, collaboration, and innovation. On behalf of the board of Basavatarakam Indo-American Cancer Hospital and Research Institute, I extend our warm greetings to each one of you. Your presence here is a testament to a shared commitment to push boundaries of science, to refine the art of healing, and above all, to improve the lives of patients who really need this and place their trust in us. And I think this is so important, especially in the geopolitical context of today's world, where we're seeing nothing but lack of trust and polarization and things such as those. So I'm really proud that we're making this happen in our field. Our institution, Basavatarakam Indo-American Cancer Hospital, was founded with a very clear and compassionate vision inspired by our founder, my beloved grandfather, to make quality cancer care accessible to all, irrespective of their background or social status or economic status. Over the years, that vision has evolved into a living mission, and that's what you see 25 years later, to combine clinical experience with empathy, research with responsibility, and innovation with inclusivity. If there's one great thing that I've learned post being part of the board of trustees of Basavatarakam, I think empathy is a big one that I would choose. And our doctors, like many of you out there, are amazing at doing it and giving that kind of specific care, attention to each and every patient, no matter where they come from. As we mark 25 years of our hospital and research institute, yes, our silver jubilee year, I find myself thinking less about where we are today and more about what we can be achieving in the next 25 years. Today, we're hosting the world, and I feel very proud about it. This is the power of a vision that refuses to be small. Hosting the IST in Hyderabad is deeply meaningful to all stakeholders, and that's been mentioned earlier already by Dr. Ferry. Cancer presents unique challenges in India, and esophageal cancer in specific, often diagnosed late, influenced by distinct dietary and environmental factors, and intertwined with issues of access and awareness. It is precisely these complexities that make global collaboration not just valuable, but essential. India is at a defining moment in oncology. We have the clinical volumes and the talent. We have the hunger to learn and the wisdom drawn from several complicated cases and diverse set of patients and populations. What we sometimes lack in the global platform is to share what we know and learn from the best. IST India Edition 2026 is that particular platform, and it begins today. What makes this gathering truly special is its multidisciplinary spirit. I've noticed that aside from surgeons, oncologists, gastroenterologists, There are researchers, there are healthcare providers, leaders, etc. Each one of you brings a vital perspective. Together, we form a continuum of care that transforms outcomes from early detection to advanced therapies, from survival to quality of life. As Basavataragam, we see the conference as a great bridge in many aspects. A bridge between global expertise and local sensibilities and realities, a bridge between cutting-edge research and everyday practical clinical execution, between innovation and accessibility. We are particularly excited about the opportunities this platform creates for young clinicians to learn, because you are the future of cancer care of India and the world, for institutions to collaborate, and for new ideas to take root. The future of esophageal cancer care lies not only in breakthrough technologies, but also in how effectively and how efficiently we can transfer this across diverse healthcare settings. As we look ahead, let us remember that every discussion we have here, every insight we share ultimately converges on one purpose: the care of the patient. Behind every case study is a life, behind every statistic is a story, and behind every innovation is hope. We are proud to partner in this journey with ISDE and with all of you, really. I have attended some events as part of our institution, like I mentioned earlier, but this one's really special by bringing India to the center. May this conference inspire meaningful dialogue, foster lasting collaborations, and spark innovations that will shape the future of care. On behalf of our trust, I extend our deepest gratitude to Professor Ferry and all the dignitaries on the dais for your support, and many others who've been involved in the process. I thank our international faculty who have crossed continents to be here. I know it's not been easy with the war and with geopolitical issues and flights getting postponed, cancelled. It really means a lot that you put in the effort to be here for a cause and a purpose. I'd also like to thank our organizing team who have worked tirelessly behind the scenes, and every delegate whose presence makes this gathering extra special and possible. I wish you all a productive and enriching set of interactions and discussion. Thank you once again for making it possible in Hyderabad.